8 is by x over 2, okay, equals 2 is by 3 over 8 times 4 is by 3 over 4. We have to find the value of x in this equation. Solution is very simple. So how do we solve this? So from here, we have this to be 8 is power x over 2 equals 2 is power 3 over 8, okay, times 4 is power 3 over 4, okay. So when we look at the base, we have 8, we have 2, we have 4, so we can make them equal. So for 8, I can write it as 2 is power 3, 2 is still 2 is power 1, 4 is same as saying 2 is power 2, we still have 4, okay. So let me solve this part of the equation. So for 2 is power 3 over 8, I have it as 2 as this times 2 is power 2, okay, which is 4 times 3 over 4, okay. Now I have this to be 2 is power 3 over 8 times, so I can easily simplify 2 and 4, 2 here is 1, 2 here is 2, so I have this as 1 times 3, I have it to be 3 over 2, okay. So here I have this the same base, okay, which is this. So multiplication of indices, when you are multiplying the same base, okay. So if we pick out one, we add the power. So when we pick out one of the base, which is 2, so here we have 3 over 8 plus 3 over 2. Okay, so we are still resolving the right hand side of the equation, which is this. So we still come back to the left to this. So let's keep resolving this. So the next thing is to resolve the power. So for 3 over 8, okay, plus 3 over 2, okay, we can have this as this, okay. So when we look for the LCM of this, the LCM is 8, okay. So here is 3. Here is 4, 4 times 3 is 12, we have this to be 15 over 8. So when we solve the power, we have it to be 15 over 8. So here we plug this back, we have two number, 15 over 8. So this is the result of the right hand side of the equation. So let us fix it back. So we have 8, this power x over 2, which is this, equals this, 8 is power x over 2 equals this, 2 is power 15 over 8, okay, which is this. But for 8, I can write my 8 as 2 is power 3, just to make sure we have the same base. And to do that, we have this to be 2 is power 3, okay, which is 8, times x over 2, okay, equals, for this, I have this to be 2 is power 15 over 8. Okay, so from here, using the exponent law, okay, I can open up this. I have 2 is power 3 times x is 3x over 2 equals 2 is power 15 over 8. So from here, I have the same base, okay, sorry. So when you have the same base, we can pick out some, we can take it out. So we have the power, we put the power, so here we have 3x over 2 equals 15 over 8. So from here now, we have equal sign. So we are looking for the value of x, so we cross multiply. So we have here 2 times, sorry, we have 3x times 8, okay, equals 2 times 15. So when you cross multiply, so 3x times 8 we have to be 24x equals 2 times 15 we have to be 30. So we can easily find the value of x by dividing both sides by 24. Okay, so when we simplify this is out. We have x equals, so for 30 and 24 we can use 2. So we use 2 in 30, we have 15. When we use 2 in 24, we have 12. So we can still simplify it further. 3 in 15 is 5. Okay, 3 in 12, we have 24. So we have an answer to 25 over 4, which is the value of x. And we write it as a base fraction, we have it as 4 whole number 1 over, sorry, we have this as 1 whole number 1 over 4. The question says evaluate 81 raised to the power 3 over 4 minus 27 raised to the power 1 over 3. Okay, everything divided by 3 times 2 raised to the power 3. When we look at this, we can see a rational exponent, okay, a rational power. So how do we resolve this? Solution. So when you look at this, we have 81 raised to the power 3 over 4 minus 27 raised to the power 1 over 3 divided by 3 times 2 raised to the power 3 equals, so here I can write this as this, okay, so which is the fourth root of 81, okay, raised to the power 3, one of the law of indices, and you have a rational exponent, okay, so you can write this as this, you have this, okay, so the denominator comes here, the numerator comes here. So when you apply this to this, you have this as the fourth root of 81 raised to the power 3 minus, here you have the cube root of 27, okay, divided by, here you have 3 times 2 raised to the power 3. So let us resolve the numerator. So for the fourth root of 81, that gives us 2, okay, because 2 times 2, that gives us 3, okay, so when we say 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, we have 81, okay, 3 times 3 is 9, that times 6 is 27 times 3, we have 81, so the fourth root of 81 is 3, so raised to the power 3, which is this, minus the cube root of 27, that should be 3, okay, 1, 2, 3, that gives us 27, over, we have a 3 times 2 raised to the power 3. So from here, you can say 3 raised to the power 3 is 27, okay, minus 3, over, here we have 3 times, for 2 raised to the power 3, we have to be 8, okay. So 27 minus 3, that gives us 24, divided by 3 times 8, we have to be 24. So by the time we simplify this, we have this to be 1. So these are our results as a result of evaluating this. The question says, solve for x if 4 raised to the power 2x divided by 4 raised to the power 3x equals to 2. What's the value of x? Solution. So we have 4 raised to the power 2x, okay, divided by 4 raised to the power 3x equals to 2, okay. So I can write this as 4 raised to the power 2x, okay, this is our division line, divided by 4 raised to the power 3x equals 2. So here we have the same base, okay, so we pick out 1, so you have 4. We subtract the power, so we have 2x minus 3x, okay, equals to 2, which is this. But 4, I can write 4 as 2 raised to the power 2, okay, which is 4. So here I have 2 raised to the power 2, okay, which is 4, bracket 2x minus 3x, which is this, equals, so for 2, it says as saying 2 raised to the power 1, okay. So here I use the exponent law to open this. So I have here 2 raised to the power 2 times 2x, that is 4x, minus 2 times 3x, that is 6x, equals 2 raised to the power 1. So I can take the power. So here I have here 4x minus 6x equals to 1. So 4x minus 6x I have is to be 5 to be minus 2x equals to 1, okay. So to get the value of x, I'll divide both sides by minus 2, so minus 2 minus 2. So when I do that, I have x equals minus half, which is the value of x. So we can check it, okay, to confirm this answer. So let's take it from here. We have 4 raised to the power 2x minus 3x, okay. So by the time we solve this, the left hand side of the equation, we have this to be this. So let us take it from here. So at the end of the day, we must have to an answer. So let me use this and substitute back here. So here I have 4 raised to the power 2 times minus half, okay, minus 3 times minus half. So let me focus on the power. So by the time I do this, 2 can cancel 2. So you have 4 raised to power minus 1, okay, minus, here I have it to be 3 raised to power minus, sorry, so I can use 3 to multiply this. So minus times minus is plus, okay. So for 3 times 1 to be 3 over 2, okay. So let me do with the power. Let me just resolve the power. We have minus 1 plus 3 over 2, okay. So here I can easily solve for the LCM, okay. This is minus 2, okay. This is 3. When you resolve this, you have 1 over 2. So for 4, which is the base, so we have 4 raised power half, okay, which is as in square root of 4, and square root of 4, that gives us 2, which is this. So the value of x is minus 1 over 2. Thank you very much.